वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. एंड टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल आर गोवन वरण भात. नाव वरण इज this dal and bhat is rice. So what we need is 1 cup of pigeon dal, tuar dal, and half cup of grated coconut. Then what else we need? Okay, this is without spicy. There is not much spiciness over here. So what we need to grind in a mixer, I will show you. But before that, I will tell you we need little bit of asafida because it is dal. Then that is hing, and here we need around green chilies. If you have big, then 2, because they are small and they are from our garden, so that is why. Then 1 teaspoon I have turmeric powder. So half I will put while grinding, half in tadka. Then for tadka, that is tempering, we need 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Now this I am taking, some take very less, it's up to you, and few curry leaves. So this is all going to go for tadka. Then bhat is sheet, आमचे गोंयचे शीत, or you can say rice. So this is for 3 people. So measurement is 1.5 cup of this measurement, and we have to cook this. I will show you how to cook this bhat. Normal rice cooking in a pressure cooker. It's a lunch time over here. So let's now grind this along with turmeric powder, water, little bit of jeera. This is like how I do, and I will put 1 chili in this. Okay, I'll put 2, and I will grind this with water. Okay, now in this I will put 2 cups of water, same cup of measurement, and cook this. Wash this first, then cook this in a pressure cooker for 4 cities, 4 whistles. Salt little bit, and we'll add a pinch of this. So 1 teaspoon goes little for everything. Now we will cover this and cook this for 4 whistles. So I am taking for 1.5 cup of rice, so double the water. So it is like 2.5 cup of water for 1.5 cup of rice. Okay, now we will add salt to taste for our rice. Mostly if you don't want to add rice for the salt for the rice, then you can add extra salt for dal. It depends upon your, but we have like this. And you can add boiling water or you can add normal water. So this is the easy way. And we have to give only 1 city, and if anybody wants little bit more to cook, then 2 city. We'll cover this and cook this. So here one side our bhat is getting cooked, that is our rice, and here our varan, that is dal, is getting cooked on low flame. I have kept it very low flame, and this is on medium flame. So I got 2 whistles. Now I will be waiting for another 2 whistles. Third and another 4th one. And first whistle, and it's done. I will put off the gas. So let it cool down, then we'll open. Same way with the dal, and then I will show you the how to make our varan. So this is ready. And now we will give tadka with very less, like it is like half teaspoon of oil, just for the mustard seeds and jeera seeds. So low flame, just for the tadka. And our atrophis are like around half teaspoon. And we mix this tadka. And this is our cooked dal. Okay, we'll mash it later. Now we'll add this here. We'll add water accordingly. And we'll add our turmeric powder to this, the remaining one. Okay. And now we will add our coconut paste. Salt, just check before adding if you want more or less. That's it. Our varan is ready. Our Goan Varan is ready with coconut. Mix this, slow flame. Check the salt accordingly, thickness. If you want thick, this is actually okay done. If you want to add little water, perfect. No spiciness, nothing. So this is the best to have with hot rice. And yeah, salt is perfect. So just one boil will give for this, so all the aroma goes and it's done, and we will serve it with rice. Thank you. Hope you all will all enjoy this Goan Varan, that is Goan dal. Thank you. Devare karo. And I will show you how to serve it along with our rice, that is bhat. Here is our rice ready. Hot rice. It's not starchy also. You can see the steam. Fluffy white rice. Hope you all will enjoy this rice. Thank you. Let's serve our varan bhaat. So this is bhat and our varan. If you want, you can put some ghee on top if you want. But yeah, hope you all will enjoy this varan bhaat.